could be $50 shipping or $100 shipping. Who here's paid like $150 for a sample before? Who here? Yeah, a few people. Okay, it is expensive only because you're using DHL or you're using Western Courier. If you use the China Post, it might take 30 days, but it's certainly cheaper. But if you're using a Western Courier, it's going to be expensive. So, but you need a sample. I've had students before that didn't sample, and they were fine. They were lucky. I call them lucky. Right? But you still want a sample, just order one. And yes, it may be expensive, but you do want to hold it. And this gives you an opportunity to also do the cartography. If you're looking to do your own cartography, or hire someone in Australia to do it, which we'll cover later on, this will give you the opportunity when you have your sample in. And test the product out. I actually brought something here today. I actually brought some coconut water. Here we go. Peter, do you want to help me demonstrate this? This is what you do. This is just sample test this. Put some blueberries as well. This might get messy. I don't know how this is going to turn out.
I'm a bit worried about this. Okay, I'm the demo person. I'm the developer.
All right. So when I first smelled this, there was actually a strong sense of a plastic smell. So in the instructions, you have to have wash first, something like that, right? There was a strong sense. Now you can get back to the supplier and say, hey guys, there's a strong sense of plastic smell. Can you air it out before sending it? Oh, make sure the lid's on. Yeah, that's right.
Oh. Thanks. Thanks, assistant.
I need a bit more coconut water there.
A bit more?
There you go. Some more blueberries. Yeah, more blueberries.
They're good.
All right. Turn it on. Uh-oh. It may explode. It's made in China.
Ready?
Whoa! That's pretty good.
Is any still cold in there?
Wow. Want to try it?
Okay. Hold on, you can disconnect it at the bottom. Hold on. How do you disconnect it? Oh, there you go. And that washes separately too. That's really nice, actually. It's really good.
Wow.
That's nice.
He has to say that it's his product.
And that's sampling. That's what you need to do. You need to put it through the dishwasher, right? Maybe not the base, but put the top of the dishwasher. And see what happens. And, you know, if you have a baby product, get them to, slobber over it. Get them to drop it a few times. Get them to do what baby products, what they do with it, and see what actually happens. You know, put it through the wash.
That's the charger on the USB.
That's got the USB charger in the back there. I like the fact that it does wash separately, so you can actually dip this into the water and it won't harm the product as well. Just when I first got it though, there was a very strong sense of a plastic smell when I opened the lid and smelt it. I was like, this isn't the best, so maybe the lid can either come separately or come detached, so it gives more time to air.